Hello everyone, my today video is for transmission media. In this we will cover what is transmission media, classification of transmission media, types of transmission media that is guided and unguided media और guided media में twisted pair, coaxial, optical और unguided में microwave, infrared, radio wave. First, we will see what is communication media. Computers and other telecommunication devices use signals to represent data. These signals are transmitted from one device to another in the form of electromagnetic energy, which is propagated through transmission media. So transmission media is a path through which data is transformed from one place to another. It is broadly divided into guided and unguided media. Guided media includes twisted pair, coaxial, fiber optical cables, and unguided media includes microwave, infrared, radio wave communication. So ट्रांसमिशन मीडिया का मतलब होता है कम्युनिकेशन चैनल्स और कनेक्टिंग केबल्स. किसके थ्रू आपका कनेक्टेड है वो देखना है आपको कि नेटवर्किंग में हाउ द डेटास आर how the computers are connected with each other and communicate with each other. By transmission media, it is also called communication channel. It means the connecting cables or connecting media. The cables that connected two or more network section is called communication channels. So local area network में different type of medias in use. Copper conductor that is in the form of twisted pair coaxial cables, and in LANs and other media microwave transmission that is used in WAN. So we can also use infrared telephone lines and microwave as a communication channels. So guided and unguided, two types of communication channels. The guided media includes cable and unguided media includes waves. See this hierarchy. Transmission media through which data is transformed from one place to another is called ट्रांसमिशन और कम्युनिकेशन. सो हायरार्की से इसको समझिए. ट्रांसमिशन मीडिया दो है, एक है गाइडेड, दूसरा है अनगाइडेड. एक उसको हम ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं वायर्ड और वायरलेस. वायर्ड में है ट्विस्टेड पेयर, कोएक्सियल, फाइबर ऑप्टिक, और अनगाइडेड में है रेडियो वेव, माइक्रोवेव, इंफ्रारेड्स. तो ट्विस्टेड पेयर, कोएक्सियल, फाइबर ऑप्टिक ये हम लोग ज्यादातर लैंड में यूज करते हैं जहां कनेक्टिविटी मीन्स नजदीक में होता है तो उसके थ्रू हम एक दूसरे को कनेक्ट करते हैं, तो ये लैंड में यूज होता है. और जहां पर आपका आउटसाइड द सिटी, कंट्रीज, कॉन्टिनेंटल्स, वहां पर आपको वायरलेस कम्युनिकेशन यूज करना होगा. सो फॉर दैट पर्पस वी यूज रेडियो वेव्स, माइक्रोवेव्स, इंफ्रारेड्स. So what is guided media? Guided media or is also called wired media. So guided media provides a physical path along with the signals are propagated. It is also called wire media or bounded media. Twisted pair cable, coaxial cable and optical fiber cables are the examples. Unguided media employs an antenna for transmitting through air, vacuum or water. It is also called wireless media or unbounded media. इसमें माइक्रोवेव, Infrared and radio waves are the examples. Now we will see the first type of wired media is twisted pair cables. A twisted pair consists of two conductor, normally copper. ये जो कंडक्टर होता है वो कॉपर का बना होता है. Each its own plastic insulation twisted together. One of the wire is used to carry signals to the receivers and other is used only as a ground reference. The receiver uses the difference between these two levels. The number of twisted pair per unit length determines the quality of the cable. So देखिए यहाँ पर ये इसका एक पिक्चर फिगर बना हुआ है. ये ट्विस्टेड पेयर होता है, मीन्स टू वायर्स आर ट्विस्टेड अराउंड ईच अदर और इसके हिट पर कंडक्टर्स लगे होते हैं जो कि आपका बना होता है. कंडक्टर्स आर मेड ऑफ कॉपर्स. दो टाइप का ट्विस्टेड पेयर केबल्स होता है. वन इज shielded twisted pair, another one is unshielded twisted pair. Shielded twisted pair, a type of copper wire in which each of the two copper wires that are twisted together are coated with an insulating coating that functions as ground for wires. The extra covering is shielded twisted pair wiring, protects the transmission line from electromagnetic interfaces leaking into or out of the cable. दूसरा है unshielded twisted pair, shorts for unshielded twisted pair as a popular type of cable that consists of two unshielded wire twisted around each other. Due to its low cost, unshielded twisted pair cabling is used extensively for LANs. So the advantage of twisted pair cables is it is simple, it is physically flexible, it can be easily connected, it is easy to install and maintain, it has a low weight and it is very inexpensive, means इसका cost कम होता है. But there are some disadvantages also. Because of high tension, it is incapable carrying a signal over a long distance without use of repeater. So its low bandwidth capability make it unsuitable for broadband applications. So इसमें कैपेसिटी कम होता है इसलिए इसका यूज कम होता है. Second one is coaxial cables. Instead of having two wires, coaxial has a central core conductor of a solid on standard wire, usually copper, enclosed in an insulating shield which can turn cascaded in an outer conductor of metal or braid or combination of two. So the use of coaxial cable started in analog telephone network. Later it was used in digital telephone network. This is the, you see the picture. ये एक होता है, इसमें प्लास्टिक जैकेट रहता है और इंसुलेटर रहता है, सेंट्रल कोड रहता है. ये आप लोग देखिएगा ज्यादातर केबल टीवी नेटवर्किंग में यूज होता है और इथरनेट लैंस, इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड इथरनेट लैंस में यूज होता है. So the data transmission characteristics of coaxial cables are considerable better than twisted pair cable. The coaxial cable can be used as the basis for shared a cable network. It offers high bandwidths up to 400 Mbps. But the disadvantage of coaxial cable is it is expensive compared to the twisted pair, and the coaxial cable are not compatible with twisted pair cables. Next is optic fiber cables. Sometimes this is called fiber optic cables also. So an optic fiber is a hair thin cylindric fiber of glass or any transparent dielectric medium which is used as a wave guided for optical communication. So fiber optical में core जो होता है that is made of glass or plastic with high index of reflection than the cladding. It carries the signal. Core का काम होता है signal carry करना. Cladding means glass or plastic with a lower index of refraction than the core. Buffer, it protects the fiber from the damage and moisture. And jacket that holds one or more fiber cables. So this is the now see the working principle. The fiber optic cables is based on the principle of total internal reflection. When light travels in an optically dense medium, hits a boundary at a step angle, and the light is completely reflected back. So the advantage of fiber optic cable is it is highly suitable for industrial environmental. It guarantees secure transmission and has a very high transmission capacity. Fiber optic cables can be used for broadband transmission where several channels are handled in parallel. So there are some disadvantages also with the fiber optic cables. Light can reach the receiver out of phase. Connection losses are common problem. The fiber optic cables are difficult to solder. They are the most expensive of all the cables. So सारे cables में ये सबसे costly होता है. Now we will see the unguided or wireless communication, जिसमें आपका सबसे पहला है माइक्रोवेव. Microwave are a form of electromagnetic radiation with wavelength ranging from 1 meter to 1 millimeter with the frequency between 300 megahertz, that is 100 centimeter, and 300 gigahertz. It is used in wireless LAN, cellular phones, and satellite networks. So microwaves is cheaper than digging trenches for laying cables and maintaining repeaters and cables. It offers freedom from land acquisition rights that are required for laying, repairing the cables. A microwave have the ability to communicate over oceans. Next, infrared. Infrared signals with frequencies from 300 gigahertz to 400 gigahertz. This is used short range communication. Infrared signals having high frequencies. It cannot penetrate walls. It can use to transmit digital data with a very high speed. And the last one is radio wave. This waves ranging from frequencies between 3 kilohertz to 1 gigahertz are normally called radio waves. Radio waves Particularly those waves that propagate sky mode can travel long distances. So that's all from today's lecture. Thank you. Bye bye.